History, Lesson 3 and 4, Important 2-mark questions. Lesson 3, Question number 1. Who were the 3 prominent dictators of the post-World War I? Mussolini, Hitler, Franco. Question number 2. Describe the Pearl Harbor incident. On December 1941, Japan attacked American naval installations in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii without warning. Many battleships and numerous fighter planes were destroyed. The United States declared war on Japan. It brought the United States with its enormous resources into the war as a part of the Allies. Question number 3. Name the Bretton Woods twins. The World Bank and the International Monetary Fund referred to as the Bretton Woods twins. Question number 4. What were the objectives of International Monetary Fund? To foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment, also sustainable economic growth and reduce poverty around the world. Lesson 4. Question number 1. Write a note on Mao's Long March. In 1934, the Communist army of about 1 lakh set out on the Long March. This march has become legendary. The marchers were continually harassed by Comintern forces, by local warlords and by unfriendly tribesmen. Of the 1 lakh people who set out, only 20,000 finally reached northern Cheyenne late in 1935 after crossing nearly 6,000 miles. Question number 2. What do you know of Baghdad Pact? In 1955, Turkey, Iraq, Great Britain, Pakistan and Iran signed a pact known as Baghdad Pact. In 1958, the United States joined the organization and thereafter it came to be known as the Central Treaty Organization, CENTO. This treaty was open to any Arab nation desiring peace and security in the region. CENTO was dissolved in 1979. Question number 3. What was Marshall Plan? The United States conceived the Marshall Plan by the Secretary of State George C. Marshall to bring the countries in Western Europe under its influence. The plan sought to help the countries of Europe with American dollars to facilitate their early recovery from the destruction caused by the Second World War. Question number 4. Write a note on Third World countries. The capitalist countries led by the US were politically designated as the First World, while the communist states led by the Soviet Union came to be known as the Second World. States outside these two were called Third World countries. The Third World principally consisted of the developing world, the former colonies of Africa, Asia and Latin America. Thank you. Stay connected for remaining lessons.